at 690,000, at 690, yes, now at 710, at 710, at 710,000, at 710,000, yes, is that a bit? At 710, at 710, at 710,000, at 710,000, anyone at 710?
Good morning sa inyong lahat, maulang araw sa inyo at nandito tayo ngayon sa HMR Auto Auction. Today is October 29, 2022. Ngayon gaganapin yung auction ng mga second hand cars. Ito mga bank repossessed units ito. At ngayon yung auction nila. So nakapag-register na ako sa loob. Mamaya mga boss, makikita ninyo kung magkano nabebenta yung mga sasakyan dito. Okay? So sa mga may question nga pala tungkol kung paano maging bidder, kung ano yung proseso, panoorin nyo na lang po yung video na yan. Tapos yan nyo na rin malalaman kung ano-ano pa yung mga kailangan ninyong gawin for the preparation sa bidding. So, okay mga boss, simulan na natin. Pasok na tayo dun. Dun sa loob lahat ng bidder kasi umuulan ngayon, okay?
390. 390 anywhere. 390. Bid 400. 400. Bid 420 now. 420. 420 anywhere. 420. 420. 420. 420. I'll take 410. 410. 410 anywhere. 410. 450,000. Sold 445,000. Bid. Thank you. 420 now. 420. 420 now. Bid. 430. 430. 430. 430. 430 with George. Thank you. 440 now. 440's there. 450. Last call. Sold 530,000. Bidder number 219. 530. Bidder number 219. Any interest at 400,000. 400 there. 410 now. 410 here. 420. 420's there. 430 now. 430. 160,000. The gamble's going up. Last call. Sold 450,000. Bidder number. Bidder number 113. 520. Bang. 520 now. 530 anywhere. 530. 530. 540 now. 540. 540. 550 now. 550. 550 now. 560. 650,000. Last call. 650,000. Bang. Sold 640,000. Bidder number. Bidder number 450 then. 450 now. 450. 450. 450 anywhere. Bid 460. 460,000. I'm gonna sell it. 510,000 online. 1016 online. 140 anywhere. 340,000. Bid 350 now. 350. 350 now. 350. 350,000. I'm going to sell it. 345,000. Sold. 113. 340,000. Bid number 113. 280. 280,000. 280. 280,000. Any interest? I'm going to sell it. You've got it at 300, sir. You're at 300. I'm asking for 310. I'm going to sell it. Last call. 297. 300,000. Thank you. Put another 297. Right. He's got 270. 270 I'll take. 270 anywhere. 270,000. 270,000. Bid. 295,000. Sold. Bidder number 113. Number 113. 295,000. Thank you. Lot number 80. 450 then. 450 now. 450. Bid. 460. 460. 460. Bid. 470. 480. 480. 470's George. 480's there. I'm gonna sell it. 540,000. Last call. On the phone at 540.
68.
268. 450 in the back. 460 now. 460. 460's there. 470. 470. 470. 470's there. 480. 480. 480 there. 490. 490. 490. 490. 490. It's for sale. 490. 490. 490. 420. 520. 520. I've got it here at 510. 520. 520 last call. I'm going to sell it. 520,000. Last call. 510, bidder number 260. And the answer's at 380,000. Bid. 380. And the answer's at 380. Sold. 395. That took a long time.
And I'll take 250 and 250 and 250,000. Yes, 260 now. At 260 at 260,000. 260,000. 270. Back to you, sir. 270,000 at 270 at 270,000. Bid with George. Sold 265,000. Bidder number 297. Lot 43 was up at 270 at 270,000. 270, yes, 280 at 280 at 280,000. Anyone at 280 at 8. Goes up at 680 at 680 at 6. Now at 7 at 7 at 700,000. Anyone at 7 at 700,000 at 700,000. Anyone at 720 at 720,000 once. 720,000 twice. Sold 750. Bidder number at 290,000. 290,000. Anyone at 290 at 290 at 290. Yes, 290 now at 3 at 300 at 300,000 at 300,000. Anyone at 300. 310. It's for sale at 310,000. 310,000. It's for sale at 310,000. Sold 300,000. Bidder number 251. At 690 at 690 at 690,000 at 690. Yes, now at 710 at 710 at 710,000 at 710,000. Yes, is that a bid at 710 at 710 at 710,000 at 710,000. Anyone at 710 750 at 750,000 at 750,000. It's for sale at 750. Bid with honey. Looking for 750,000. It's for sale at 750,000. Going once. It's for sale at 750,000. Going twice. Last call at 750,000. Sold 740. Bidder 800,000. Last call. Last call. Next lot. Who can start me at 560? At 560,000. Anyone at 560? At 560. At 560,000. At 560. At 560. 600,000 once. 600,000 twice. Sold 590. Bidder number 100. Start me at 300, at 300, at 300,000, at 300,000. Anyone at 300, at 300, at 300,000, at 300,000. Anyone at 3, at 300, at 300,000, at 300,000. Anyone at 300, at 330,000 twice. Sold 325. Bidder number at 500,000. Anyone at 5, at 500, at 500,000. 740,000. Anyone at 740? At 740. At 740,000. 740,000 to start at 740. At 740. At 740,000. 740,000. 360. 360,000. 360. 360 now at 380. At 380. At 380,000. 380. At 380. At 380,000. 380. At 380. At 380,000. Anyone at 380? At 380. At 380,000. 380,000. Sir, make it 400. At 400. 1,000 once. 400,000 twice. Sold 390,000. Bidder number 2. 2, 3, 3.
At 630,000 to start, 630 now. At 630,000 to start. At 630,000 to start, level 630. At 650,000 last call. Last call at 400. At 400,000. At 400,000 to start, level 400,000 now. At 400,000 now. At 400,000 to start, level 4. At 400,000 to start. At 400,000 to start, level 400,000. At 450. At 450,000. I have 450, level 460. At 460 now. At 460,000. At 460, 470. At 470, 470 I have on the phone, 480. At 480, 480, 490. At 490, we send 490, 495. At 500,000, number 520 now. 50 online bidder. At 520. At 520, all in a dime, the gavel's up, it will be sold at 520 going once. At 520,000 going twice. So 510,000 online benefit number 160,000 to start, level 760. Last call, ladies and gents, at 760,000. Last call at 760,000. Pass it in with Montreal. Next lot, moving on to lot number 83. 27 change, at 190,000 now. At 190, we said 190, 190, 190 now. At 190, at 190,000. At 190,000. At 190,000, at 190, I'll put it up for sale. 190, I'll put it up for sale. It's for sale. 190, 195. At 195 going once. At 195 going twice. So 190,000 bid number.
190.
760,000. At 760,000 to start, it was 760. At 760,000 to start, it was 760. At 760,000 to start. At 760,000 to start, looking at 760 at 760,000. At 290. At 290,000. At 290,000 to start, looking at 290 I have. At 290. At 290,000 now. At 290. Don't wait on your friends at auctions. At 290,000. At 290,000. 290 I have 3. At 300,000 now. At 300 we come in 300,000 now. At 300,000. At 300,000 we come in 300,000 now. At 300,000 we come in 3. At 300,000 now. At 300 I'll put it for sale, ladies and gents. For sale, 300,000 now. At 300,000 going once. At 300,000 going twice. So 290,000 bid a number. Last call at 350,000. Online at 350. At 360,000 now. At 360,000, turn to 360 at 360,000 now. All the quotes on travel at 360,000. The Apple is up, I'll put it for sale at 360,000 now. At 360, we turn to 360 at 360,000 now. At 360,000 now. At 360,000, all in all down to 360,000. Gavels up, it's would be online bidder at 360,000 going once. At 360,000 going twice. So 350,000 online bidder number 1.
So maagang natapos yung auction ngayon. Unfortunately, first time kong mag-join sa auction at wala akong napanalunan kasi yung mga presyo nung sasakyan, it turns out na hindi ko siya pwedeng kunin. Syempre, meron tayong tinatarget na presyo. Okay? Kailangan sa auction, ganun lagi ang mindset ninyo. Huwag kayong taas ng kamay. Kapag tingin nyo lalampas na sa budget nyo, huwag nyo nang kunin. Okay? Yun yung kailangan ninyong disiplina pag nasa auction kayo. Kahit maganda yung unit, kahit gustong gusto ninyo, low mileage yan, huwag kayong magpapadala sa emosyon. Okay? So, subukan natin yung luck natin sa susunod na auction. Okay? Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at sana ngayong araw na to nagustuhan nyo yung video natin dito sa HMR, ganito pala magiging isang bidder. Okay? Nga pala, yung bid deposit ko kanina nakuha ko na. Right after ng auction, makukuha nyo rin yun. Okay?